morning. How's my hair? I know I had a haircut, right? But it's not just me who's looking refreshed. Chili had a service done as well. Look at her. She's so clean now. So clean. I think last time she was so clean was when I picked her up from the salon 6 years ago when she was brand new. I got a new seat as well. Leather seat, and just, yeah, I had a little bit of service done on her. And now she's just better than new. Looking good, Chili. So this morning I'm going to Waffles Bay, which is only 30 kilometers away, to check up the dunes. So that's going to be just a little ride. Hopefully the sun's going to come out so I can have nice pictures, because they're pretty epic dunes. So I'll take the inland road behind the dunes first and then come back through the coast. But look at this, it's like really so overcast. So the dune is actually already like there, but you can't see anything. Okay, we'll get closer, we'll see. Ta-da! We're very lucky today. The clouds went up, the fog is gone, and dunes are uncovered now. Look how beautiful they are. I just love deserts. I love dunes. Everything in a desert is just so cool. And you know, I think the last time I saw these type of dunes in Egypt, far away from here, a long way from here too. Yeah, over 2 years. So yes, I'm enjoying this day. Hope you do enjoy this content. So what we've got here, we've got the big dune, and it's very popular to climb up this dune. A lot of people just walk up or ride their quad bikes. Me and Chili not going. No, it looks way too steep and way too sandy. But this dune is like a walking dune. That's how I call it, because it shifts this way, the wind pushes it this way 1 meter every year. So it's not like she's going too fast, but she's going. And there's a lot of palm trees that are dug in the sand. Apparently there were some tables, picnic tables, and yeah, but they're all under the sand now. It's like a underground picnic area. That looks like fun. And look, just here, it's like a little cemetery, someone else's graves, and they're not that old. Someone was buried here in 2010. I wonder what happened to him. Time to go, Chile. It's getting hot. I can't believe this day just cleared up so nicely. Unbelievable. In the morning was such heavy mist. You know what, I didn't even decrease the tire pressure. It is a bit sandy, but it's like a nice firm sand. And this steering damper is just picking up everything. So good. I'm just gonna go on firm sand, it's better. And we're nearly out of sand. Oh, GoPro, hold on. Right, so I just drove into town, so I'm gonna go through a few locations and show you a little bit of Whalefish Bay, and then I have to head back to Swakopmund because we are actually going for the weekend, and it's a surprise. You'll see, it's gonna be a big weekend, and there's gonna be a lot of cool peeps there. So this is exciting, but that's going to be my next episode. Look at all these palm trees. It's so cute. This road is so nice. And it's like literally desert. Cold again. It's like 14 degrees and it's overcast. This is such just unique place on earth. You've got the dunes, beautiful desert, and then you have this beautiful coast. It must be so hot summertime. And there's no trees, so it's not like you can hide. Yeah, that would be tough. But now it's very cold. It's like 15 degrees. I'm freezing. The temperature changed again. Oh.